shoulders back when I try to bring them forward. Oh, and then Jess is at my hips. She's gonna pull my hips up. And then this leg, I'm not gonna bend because I'm gonna kick Doris in the face, okay? And then Jess and Julie are gonna lower me back down. Good. Now, something else that happens, again, is, okay, so now here's what we go like this. No.
With it, no.
Okay, come into plank.
Lift up and push back, okay? Pushing back is very important. 1 foot steps up, leg is down.
What you're doing here is helping your partner through the adjusting feel what straight should feel like. We don't want to learn that the back bend is the handstand unless that is going to be your handstand. Some body limitations allow us to only do a banana, okay, to balance. But if you don't have those body limitations, this exercise is going, because of your partner, to teach you what straight is, okay? So Christina had showed me hers, so we're gonna go up into the back bend piece first. So what happens is, when we take one leg off, we end up reaching it over because our mind thinks it's bringing the weight over into our hands. But what we really want to do is tell her what straight is, and I'm gonna tell her to bring her hips over by drawing her ribs in. Drop your head a bit, okay, draw your ribs in more. And I'm looking, looks pretty straight from the side compared to what it was. And then you're gonna come on down. Okay, so just adjusting like we did with down dog, like we did with plank and tabletop today.
And right where your knee is where your hands go, okay? That same leg that I just plugged the thigh bone with is my standing leg. My other lifted leg now is going to be held by Holy. Remember we did this earlier with the plank? I'm going to push through my hands, hollow body, squeeze my inner thighs and my glutes, push down, and plug the thigh bone. Okay? Then I'm going to reach that leg up, okay? And bring it to the wall. Now from here, once I get to the wall, I'm going to bend my knees, draw my ribs and my navel in. Julie's going to help me. He's going to be like, your ribs are not in. You tap my ribs. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to lift one leg up, point my toes, going to hold my hips, and my legs, and bring it up. Point my toes.
First day of yoga training for 300 done. I can't believe it's even started. I feel like I've had more progress in 12 hours of learning than like 5 years of practice. And now I'm like really getting to understand like sequencing and trying to figure out more of what I like. I don't think I'm as intentional when I go to a class and I'm like, oh yeah, I like that, I didn't like that. Now I'm like trying to exactly figure out what happens. We did a lot of handstands, a lot of inversions, and arm work today. So I'm really sore. I'm probably in a bath right now. It's late, but I just need to like detox and unwind after everything. The food is amazing. Yeah, I just can't believe I am here. It's truly a surreal experience, and I just want to document it before I forget. I definitely have imposter syndrome. Like it's probably the most I've had imposter syndrome, I feel. But I guess I do realize I know more than I think I know, which is refreshing, but I'm definitely not there in terms of the actual practice yet. Like, but you know, let's not compare. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. And it's also so surreal to see like someone you've been following on Instagram for so long in real life, and yeah, it's just really great. And I met some amazing people, so many sweet girls, women, and it's nice to go through this together, and it makes you feel like you're not just alone in your own world, and that most people feel probably the exact same way that you do about life and yoga, like their yoga journey as well. So it's really nice. And yeah, one last thing I'll say is that like because I took my 200 online and got tested online, I feel like I really didn't have that sense of community. And personally in SF, I haven't really had that sense of community, especially within yoga. So being here with like 50 other people, practicing the same things and just feeling the energy in the room and, you know, chanting together. Like I don't chant, but it really is something you can't get online. And as an advocate for like online education and like online platforms, and like you don't need to go to school to get XYZ, it's kind of conflicting with my personal beliefs, but it really is so incredible to be with people in real life again after the pandemic and just experience something so beautiful together. So yeah, life is crazy, man. Life is crazy.